there is a business line of credit that goes all the way up to $250,000 and it's bad credit friendly. First off, I want to say I'm so sorry that I haven't been talking as much as I need to about business credit and business funding, but I have in fact secured over $500,000 in business funding just in the year of 2022 alone. Now, when I say business funding, I'm not talking about credit cards. I'm talking about real loans and real business lines of credit. But this new one that I'm going to talk about today is my number 16 that's going to go on the list because it has two different very unique parts to it. It has a business card and then it has a business flex line of credit also. And let's go ahead and put it up on the screen here so you can see all the credit cards that I do have for our business that is Limitless Culture, that is us. Now, the biggest problem that I've seen in the business funding space is that a lot of business owners are focused strictly on the business and not on their personal credit. So what tends to happen is I see a lot of business owners that have just really bad credit, just really super doo-doo credit, and they can't get any business funding until today. So if you've been struggling to get funding, dealing with banks rejecting you, or thinking that you need perfect credit to get a loan, think again. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created, and specifically to Wesley, Wesley's credit score went up over 226 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast, and also Marcus's credit score went up 337 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. And let's not forget Richard's credit score went up 446 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anybody that needs to fix their credit. Last part's the most important. What if I told you there's a way to get up to $250,000 in business funding without dealing with banks, without a hard credit check, and without putting up any collateral? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% real. This is called revenue-based funding. Unlike traditional loans that look at your credit score, this funding is based on your business revenue. That means if you're not cranking revenue, this video's not for you. But if your business is making money, then you qualify. And remember, there is no hard credit check to your personal credit. No collateral needed. Fast approvals, sometimes within hours. But the real question here is, why is this better than a bank loan? Lending is getting tighter and tighter, and banks are truly making it impossible for small business owners to get loans. They want perfect credit, tons of paperwork, and months of waiting just to say no. With the Revenue Flex line of credit, this funding is quick, hassle-free, and designed for real business owners. So the big question is, who is eligible? Now, your business must operate in the United States. It must not be a startup. It must have been in business for at least 6 or more months. You must have a business bank account. You cannot use your personal bank account for this, and you shouldn't be doing that already. You should have it separated. If you're having issues getting a business bank account, I'll drop a link in the video description for Bluevine. That's the best business account that you can before you apply for this if you're looking to apply for the Revenue Flex line of credit. And you have to have a bank account that has not gone negative for more than 3 days in a month. I know that's kind of crazy, but it makes sense. So if you are a business owner that doesn't have the best credit, but your business is cranking revenue, then the Revenue Business Flex line is for you. Link is going to be pinned at the very top of the video description for anyone that needs it. So we covered another big one with the revenue card that is bad credit friendly for business owners. Now make sure that you watch this next video because it is about how to get a credit limit increase on your Capital One credit card with no hard inquiry. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.